In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide taskbar on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So you can see my Windows taskbar is hidden and it will only come up whenever I drag my mouse beneath the taskbar location just like this. Then if you want your taskbar to hide itself automatically and come up whenever you drag your mouse pointer to the place, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to hide your Windows computer taskbar automatically is right click on open space on taskbar just like this. Then click on Taskbar Settings. Wait for the Taskbar Settings page to load. Then you want to scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Under that, locate Automatically Hide the Taskbar and make sure this is checked. If this is unchecked, you see the taskbar comes up just like this. And if you go ahead to check Automatically Hide Taskbar, then you see taskbar hidden. Then go ahead and close this. Then your taskbar will come up again. Then after a couple of seconds, like this, the taskbar will be hidden. You see that? Then come down here again. Then again you can see this is how you can easily hide taskbar on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.